And that's why whales can't go to the gym class.
Okay, can you at least do one more math thing before we go? That we learn?
Okay, one more math thing. Okay, Big Bird got a question for you, for Lion.
He's not awake.
Oh, yes, he is.
Can I do it?
Oh, fine, since he's been not good student.
No, because you made him bump his head on the wall. Why are you laughing? Can I? Okay, and I actually need it because I need to pass this class.
Okay, so what? How many fingers are on my hand?
2, because you don't count your phone.
Dang, 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 dang. Okay, so I just want to tell you something. You know
What?
that movie you're gonna do?
Yes?
This is the movie.
Wait, is it the movie?
Look, the security camera's been recording us the whole time. Look,
Uh,
smile at the camera. Hello, I'm Big Bird.
wait, movie don't break the fourth wall.
Uh, this one does. Hello,
Oh,
the
technically,
tables.
like, some movies do, but not often.
Come on, Lion, if you're gonna say hello.
I told you, he's not waking up. Made him hit his head on the wall.
No, he's awake.
Stop punching his body. He's not awake.
Well, oh, my head hurt.
Finally he's awake.
Uh,
Now
oh,
he can do a math problem.
what's this light in my eye?
And now Big Bird, he can do the math problem.
Okay, Lion, it's your turn. How many hits on the wall gets you unconscious? Let me see. What are you doing?
Who are you?
I just heard the math question. It is so funny.